Ever wondered why your wardrobe isn't reflecting your true style? Perhaps the answer lies in the brand of clothing you choose. Today, we're going to delve into why AB Clothing Company might just be the perfect fit for your fashion needs. Firstly, AB Clothing Company offers the best quality at the best price. This isn't a coincidence, but the result of their complete ownership of 3 manufacturing units. By controlling the entire production process, AB Clothing Company ensures top-notch quality without the hefty price tag that usually comes with it. Secondly, the company has more than 2 decades of experience in creating export-quality garments. Established in 2008 under the guidance of Srinivas Forth, a veteran with over 20 years of experience in the export garment industry, AB Clothing Company has been consistently delivering excellence in menswear for over 15 years. Thirdly, AB Clothing Company sources its fabric only from top mills. This guarantees the longevity and comfort of their products. Whether it's a pair of jeans for a casual outing or a shirt for a formal event, you can trust that the fabric will be comfortable, durable, and of the highest quality. Next, AB Clothing Company stands by its products. If you encounter any issues with your purchase, they offer a piece-to-piece replacement. Not many clothing companies can boast such a customer-friendly policy. It's their way of showing just how confident they are in the quality of their products. Lastly, AB Clothing Company produces 10,000 pieces daily in unique styles. This means you'll always find something fresh and exciting in their collection. Whether you're a fan of timeless classics or prefer to stay ahead of the fashion curve, AB Clothing Company has something for everyone. So, there you have it. 5 compelling reasons why AB Clothing Company is a great choice for your clothing needs. High-quality products, affordable prices, vast experience, top-tier fabric sourcing, excellent customer service, and a wide range of styles. Don't just take our word for it, though. Experience the AB Clothing Company difference yourself by heading over to their website at www.abeclothing.co. Browse their extensive collection and perhaps discover your new favorite piece of clothing. After all, your wardrobe is a reflection of you and you deserve the best.